Let's see what the garden has to offer today and fill this basket up. Peas are still going strong. I'm waiting for these to slow down, but they just keep coming full force. Lots of shelling pea pods to collect. It's a lot of work to shell them, but definitely worth it. First of the tomato plants are starting to flower. Green beans are starting to reach full size one by one in this bed. Looks like the strawberries are starting to slow down, but the blueberries are coming in. Ooh, these blueberries are so big and juicy. Oh my goodness, blackberries are starting to come in. Look how massive they are. That's the beautiful thing about the garden. As one thing ends, another thing comes in.